I lie in my bed more than I don't most days now, which is not a great thought, but it's what I really live through. So, yeah, when I wake up, my thoughts aren't usually positive. They just kind of float while my motivation drowns. And I'm left with just me sinking beneath the covers, dreading getting out and doing anything that could do me good. This morning, my friends aren't able to go skating with me. I was hoping that maybe I could actually get out and do something, but I think I might just go alone. That seems to be a pretty consistent theme in quarantine, is doing stuff alone. Now that I'm actually at the skate park, I'm out of my house, it feels good, but I also am kind of terrified because I could totally break myself on the cement. So I have all my pads, knee pads, elbow pads, wrist guards, and a helmet. So I am fully protected.
Alright. I'll pat it up then. Ow. Oh god. Why?
The skate park is a fun place to be, just to fail a ton and exhaust myself, because everyone is just doing the same things over and over, trying to perfect their craft, and it just gets your heart beating and you get sweaty, and yeah, it makes me hungry afterwards, so I'll go home, grub, and probably just pass out. At the end of the day, I didn't do very much. I used all my willpower to go and exercise at the skate park alone, which was kind of nerve-wracking, but it was enough to get me out of the house, which I feel successful about. So, it's a win for me.